Hello and welcome back to my craft room. It's the 3rd of February 2022 and look what just popped through my door this morning. It's lucky I've got this, I'm on a day off so I don't have to wait. So let's go straight to the desk. Now these are my bead boxes from Deborah Beads. I will put a link to Deborah Beads below. These only cost £5 each for a monthly subscription box, and that includes post and pack into the UK. I have two different subscription boxes from Deborah Beads. One is the kit box and one is the bead box, and I will tell you more about them as we go along. Now until I get in, I don't know which is which because they look identical from the outside, so eeny meeny miny mo, let's go for this one. Just love it. Oh, so this is the kit box. With the kit box you get full instructions and all of the supplies you need to make a specific set. In this case a bracelet and earrings. It might be a necklace and earrings. I often do my own thing with it. Last month I actually made the kit up, but it's for the last 2 or 3 months before that I've been just doing my own thing, merging the two boxes together. I also tend to throw in a few bits from my own stash. Multi-strand carved ring bracelet and earrings. Ooh, it's a bit different. Okay, let's have a look. Keep the tissue for my collage and that. Now bearing in mind this is only £5 and I'll get a nice little set I can wear or put in my Etsy shop or give away as a gift. I keep saying put in my Etsy shop to try and persuade myself to pull my finger out and open it up again. I've got loads of stuff. So now you get a whole list of what you should have. So let's use my little bowl to put these in. So this was actually the kit I made up last month. Pretty. So where's the other earring gone? There it is. It's a little pair of earrings and a necklace last month. So this is an antique silver carved ring. There we go. Quite nice, same both sides, quite nicely finished. And there's also a lobster clasp and a pair of ear wires there. They're silver plated ear wires. Again, all very nice quality. Put them back in there. There's also beading wire and crimps. So it looks like there's 4 little wire crimps in there. I'm not going to bother taking the wire out. There we go. There we go. So you can see a good length of beading wire there and 4 of the crimps. Faceted glass peacock beads. I might regret tipping all these out, but let's do it anyway. They're really pretty. I love them. I always love these things that turn all different colours when they catch the light. Look at that. Very pretty. I can see what they're called, peacock beads. And then we've got some little cream seed beads. Nice. And purple check glass cube beads. Oh yes, they're all squared off. They're really pretty. They've got like an opaque inside. So you can see that lovely like a kind of shot of silver running through it. It looks almost, yeah, really pretty. Like those. I'm going to sew them all in together. Again, micro tip. So that's the kit box, and the instructions you get are really good. Really detailed instructions and clear, large photos, so you know exactly what you're aiming at. Yeah. So I may decide to make that up. It does look quite pretty. Or I may decide to throw these in with the other box and some of my own stash. I have last month's boxes I still haven't made time to use, and my bargain bead box. In fact, 2 bargain bead boxes. So I really need to make time for mammoth jewellery making session sometime soon. I've got some time off work coming up, so maybe that will be one of my projects to do then. Okay, so this will be the bead box. Now the bead box is a curated collection, a themed collection of beads and jewellery findings, which is designed to kind of build up your stash, or mix together with the stash you've got, and just sort of spur your creativity. Spur, is that a word? Well, it's a word, but is it a word in that sense? No. Okay, so let's see what we've got. Usually it kind of fits with the other box, but not always. Oh, it does, because we've got some of the peacock beads, and we've got we're picking up the purples. Oh, look at this. Oh, I need to look at that first. Oh, look at that. I love this. Beautiful. Ah, look. So now I need to get it to... Shiny things are more difficult to focus sometimes. Isn't that pretty? Now, I sometimes find that somebody who watches a video will know what things are when I don't. So if anybody can tell me what this is made of... It feels like glass. So if anybody can tell me, I'd really appreciate it. We've got some lovely stuff in here. Now I won't bother opening these because I think these are the same as the ones in the kit box. So they're those faceted glass peacock beads. Pretty. We've got some white seed beads. It's always handy to have plenty of seed beads. We've got some frosted glass beads in that lovely purple shade. Always like to have some frosted and some faceted and some shiny and some pearly. You know, all those different textures and finishes make it interesting. So these ones are glass, smooth glass purple beads, but they've got a white marble running through them, which makes them really interesting. I love that. We've got, carrying on the peacock kind of colours, these are faceted glass beads. Love how they catch the light. Beautiful. We've got some quite fine beading cord. I sometimes find it a bit of a problem to get some of the beading cords through the beads, so I only end up using them if I'm putting little charms on and things, but this is quite fine. That will probably go through the beads, won't it? And a couple of culotte crimps there as well to finish them off at the ends. Come out. Oh, I lost one. Faceted, I think these are called bicone, the beads in this shape. Faceted bicone beads made of glass in a very pretty, wow, I don't know what colour you would call that, but they'll fit in nicely with the peacocks and the purples, I think. Some findings here. So we've got a couple of these head pins. I love these ones with the little ball on the end. Always like them. I always think they're a nice finish. That's like a little connector ring, I guess. So I don't know the proper names for all these things. That's a clasp, very pretty, delicate little clasp. Oh, it's not a connector ring. Look, it's the other part. I'm a fool. It's the other part of a toggle clasp. There we go. That's so much easier. If you've got to fasten a bracelet on yourself, a toggle clasp I find so much easier than a lobster clasp. Maybe it's just me. There's a couple of silver plated jump rings in there as well, and another pair of silver plated earwires. At least they look silver plated. It's silver coloured. They certainly look silver plated to me. Now there's always since I've been having these boxes anyway, in the bead box there is always this like a mini kit really, which you could make a pair of earrings out of. And in this case we've got a couple of the head pins. So that's the other kind of head pins with the flat bottom. There's nothing wrong with them, they're nice quality ones. I like the ball ones better, but that's maybe just me, I don't know. These are lovely. They've got that iridescent kind of peacock thing going on. So you're getting all those different colours coming off them, and they've got a white kind of marble, no, a white stripe around them, right around the middle of them. Yep, nice. And we're nearly at the end now. We've got some more beading wire. That's always handy to have. I love it. Wide bracelets are so easy to make. And then we've got a length of chain. Again, I think there's always a length of chain in the box. Oh, I love these ones. So you can make a little short necklace with that, or probably what I will do is use it to make a charm bracelet. And I love these chains like this where you've got, there we go, so you've got the 3 small links and then a bigger link, and 3 smaller and a bigger one, and I like to link little handmade charms through the bigger ones, so I will probably use that to make a couple of chain bracelets, charm bracelets. So that is beautiful. I love it, and they will all fit in together really well. Really well. Love them. I'm just going to chuck them all in and do the box up carefully so I don't lose anything. Yeah, really very, very happy with those. So that's it. So that's my Deborah Beads kit box and bead box for January 2022. Really, really happy with those. I love them, and I can't, you know, look what you get for £5, including the post and packing. I mean, you know, you can't argue with it, can you? And I should be able to make a couple of really nice things out of this. Thanks very much for watching. I will be back. As I said, I've got some holiday coming up in a week or so. I will have a couple of mammoth jewellery making sessions and do some little short jewellery videos, I think. If you like that kind of thing, watch this space, and I will see you again really soon. Bye.